Hi there all, this is Caiser Mahmood. Very warm welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so you will get instantly my all latest videos. So today we will learn how to delete Instagram account. For this, open your Instagram app. Go to settings. Here are the settings at the bottom of your application. Now go to help. Now go to help center. Now go to managing your account. Now click on delete your account. Now click on how do I delete my Instagram account. Scroll down and click on delete your account. It will ask your username and password. Give your username and password here and click on login. Here, why are you deleting your account? Select something else and type your password. Now click on permanently delete my account. Click on OK. So you have deleted your Instagram account successfully. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.